So, this is the codes of the given diagram from our activity. In our first line, we have G21, G17, G28, G90 that pertains to the program initialization and the safety line. And the T1M6 pertains to the spindle start. These codes start with the position 1 and the given diagram to position 9. In our position 1, that uses G01, G01, X30, Y negative 30. This is the starting cutting point. And to our position 2, we have the G01, Y22.67. That's straight vertical line from P1 to P2. It is straight cut. And to our position 3, we have the G03 X25.07 Y26.18 R4. For our position 3, it is a counterclockwise arc, a smooth rounded corner from position 2 to position 3. And to our position 4, we have the G02 X negative 18.27 Y 23.46 R50, which is the large curve top portion, a big upper curve. And to our position 5, the G03 X negative 23.46 Y 18.27 R4, the small rounded corner. And to our position 6, we have the G02 X negative 23.46 Y negative 18.50 R50. It is also a left big curve downward. And to our position 7, we have the G03 negative 18.27 Y minus negative 23.46 R4, which is the counterclockwise arc, but small radius for mm. And to our position 8, we have the G02 X24.37 Y minus 26.18 R50. It is also a large radius clockwise arc. And to our position 9, it is small radius counterclockwise arc G03 X30. And to our G01 X30.0 Y minus 30, it is the returns to starting point and closes the profile. And if we run this, it will look like this. As you can see, it will move from our position 1 to position 9.